Hey everyone, welcome to Technologic Lands. In today's video, I'll show you how to log in Bigo Live app on mobile. So let's get started. First, open your Bigo Live application. As you can see, there are many options to sign in. In my case, I'm gonna sign in with phone. Then select a country from drop-down menu. Then type in your phone number. And then enter your password. Once you're done, tap in Login button. And this is how you can log in Bigo Live app on mobile. Thanks for watching Technologic Lands. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.